Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Redfin for market trends and pricing step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Redfin homepage. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top. Enter your desired city or neighborhood where you want to analyze market trends. Press the Enter key or click on the search icon. You'll be taken to a results page displaying properties for sale in that area. Scroll down to find the Market Insights section. Click on the Market Insights link to access detailed information. Here, you will find data on home prices, sales, and other trends. Examine the graphs and charts to understand pricing trends over time. Note the key statistics such as median home prices and days on market. To get neighborhood-specific data, click on the names of neighborhoods listed in the insights. This will take you to a dedicated page for that neighborhood's real estate trends. For more detailed analysis, look for the More Statistics button. Click it to view additional metrics and comparisons with nearby areas. If you want to receive email updates, scroll to the bottom of the page. Enter your email address in the subscription box for market reports. After you submit your email, you will receive regular updates about market trends. You can also check Redfin's blog for articles and insights on local markets. To stay connected, consider following Redfin on social media platforms. This will keep you informed about market changes and new features. Explore the Redfin app for mobile access to real-time market data. By using these resources, you can effectively track market trends and pricing in your area. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.